Hey guys, it's me Kimmy and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be making or trying to make watermelon jelly cube slime. So to make my jelly cube slime, I have a container to mix, a container once it's done with the top, watermelon scent, clear glue, black glitter, jelly cubes. Y'all, I made these jelly cubes, so if y'all want a tutorial on how to make these jelly cubes, let me know. They're really easy and really cheap. I got some water, and then I have borax water. This water has borax in it. You can use contact lens solution, detergent, whatever you want to do to activate your slime. I wanted to use borax water. And I have 2 sticks for mixing. And I have my food coloring on the plate because I use paste food coloring. I got a little bit green and more pink. And I think I told y'all this glitter, black glitter. So we're gonna piece of glitter. We're gonna start with just squeezing our glue in there. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Like, I never made, well, I made slime one time before, but I don't really know what I'm doing, so. But I kind of remember. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit at a time because I don't know how much I'm supposed to put in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my scent in too, because I don't want to lie. Y'all, I was gonna do kiwi, but I didn't feel like digging out my other scents, and watermelon was already out because it's what I use in the diffuser. It's turning already, y'all. Look. Do I need more? No, it's a piece of glitter in it. I guess it really don't matter because I'm gonna put glitter in it anyway. Do I need more? I think that's enough. Like, just that little bit. Is it? What y'all think? Is this how I'm supposed to look? It's still sticky. Like, real sticky. So I'm gonna put some more. This one I'm supposed to like take it out and start trying to knead it. Okay, I think it's what it's doing what it's supposed to do now. Okay, yeah. Ooh, this sticky. Yeah, I don't think I did it right. Am I supposed to knead it more? Oh, wait. Does it need more? I'm confused. Okay, it's coming together, I think. It smells good. It's really sticky. Is it supposed to be this sticky? But it is getting less sticky as I need it, so maybe that's what it's supposed to do. I just want like a little bit to be green. I don't think I did it right, y'all. Did I do it right? I don't know. I think I put too much water in it. Borax in it. I want to add some regular water. I guess I could add more glue, really. Oh no, I know what I need. I'm gonna go get it. See, it's coming. Yeah. Making it more slime-like. Yeah, I was scared. Like, okay, hey y'all, I'm back. Basically what happened is earlier today when I was recording my slime video, my parents came home and they were talking and stuff, so I'm gonna have to clip all that out. So I just wanted to talk to y'all about what happened, explain what was going on. Sorry y'all, lucky I'm scared because my washing machine just did something. Like, it just randomly poured some water out of something. It scared me because first off, my makeup looked crazy. It's because this is the same makeup I had on this morning when I was recording it like 11 a.m. 10:30 a.m. and it's midnight. That's my friend. Okay, so now let's talk about my slime. It's supposed to be watermelon, but it really looks more like a dragon fruit. And I did do a new layer of green because I mixed it in, the green piece I did in to do ASMR. But my dad was in here, he was making coffee right here beside me, so y'all couldn't hear the ASMR or anything. But where we're at is my slime had basically been overactivated because I overactivated. I be forgetting that clear glue, I was told clear glue activates really quickly and really easily, so I be forgetting. And so I put too much in there. But I remember that my friend did tell me that you put a little bit of lotion in there and it'll activate it, or it'll soften it. So yeah, you guys, this is the slime. You see the green part on top. The jelly cubes done floated to the top, but we're gonna mix them in. It smells so good. That's one of the things I was really like ranting about when I was making the video, is just how good it smells. So I still feel like I probably could put more lotion in here to get, I'm trying to get it all out in like one tug, most of it anyway. Okay, so yeah, this is the slime. It smells so good. If I quick pull, it's rubbery, but it got some stretch. So yeah, and then my jelly cubes are coated. I'm gonna pull one out. My jelly cubes are coated, and they've changed colors a little bit. Don't let y'all look at the slime. Let's get in on it good while I mix the colors. I mix the jelly cubes back in. Those are good jelly cube pops. The second green that I did was a lot lighter than the initial green, so I'm glad because it didn't turn my slime brown. Okay, y'all, so that is my watermelon jelly cube slime. It literally smells delicious. I low-key want to eat it. It looks like a freaking smoothie. It's giving more dragon fruit than watermelon, like I said before, but I mess with it, y'all. Do y'all see the jelly cubes? Okay. I'm having way too much fun playing with this. So that's really all. I'm Kimmy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit the notification bell ding so you can be notified when I drop another video. And I'm out. Love you lot. Thanks for watching.
Said I'll be back to hold you down. I don't wanna leave you, baby.